Hi, my name is Howell from Lincoln of Windsor and Performance Ford. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the fact that we need your cars. So the COVID season has left us with an interesting problem because we've been able to help so many people find a new or certified pre-owned vehicle. Now we're looking for more vehicles. So we need your used cars. Now you may wonder, why is it important to sell us your vehicle? There are three main reasons to do that today. First, time and money. Second is security in your trade. Third is trade-in options. So as we discussed, time and money is the first option. Selling a vehicle on your own is not as easy as it sounds. There are several factors that need to be taken care of, such as certifications, warranties, repairs, and many more. It can be an exhausting, mentally disturbing, and a financial move. When you bring your used cars to us here at Performance Ford Lincoln of Windsor, we take care of such and all documentations. So second, there's security in your sale, your trade. There have been many stories of people driving off with your vehicle or aggressive drivers causing concern on the road. By bringing your car to us, you remain safe. Last, trade-in options. We offer trade-in options to make every new vehicle cheaper while you can sell your vehicle to us. So bring in your used vehicles. Our helpful staff will answer your concerns and make it well worth it. You can book an appointment or call us at 1-855-933-0195. Performance Ford, or Lincoln of Windsor, 1-888-872-9946. Thank you. We are located here at 1150 Provincial Road. Thank you for watching this video. Bring your car in because we need your cars.